It's a 1983 CKS. A friend of ours owns this, races it a lot. It's Kurt Gustafson. You've seen him at 61 Cartway, Rock Island Grand Prix. Runs this in the Yamaha class. I got a photograph of his gearing on his floor pad. He actually hand wrote his gearing on the floor plan, so that's Kurt. That's the way he is. You don't see too many of these karts, these CKSs.
I put bearings in it, it belongs. You can't do it.
All right, there's Kurt's gearing at all the new courses, our Rock Island Grand Prix, Norway. We have fun with Kurt. He's really good. The old motocross, old flat track motorcycle racer. Old flat track motorcycle racer. And he also did a lot of running of motorcycles at Bonneville. He's held some speed records over the years.